Good morning, students of PP2. Welcome back to your English classes. I am your Krishna ma'am. Open your books, Oxford Model English. In the last class, we finished page 9, page 10, and in page 10, there is still some writing. So, you wrote from A to Z. A for apple, B for bell, C for cow, and so on. You wrote all the words. Now let's play a game. Here it is. Name one thing beginning with each letter from A to Z. So write down this in your copies. Today is 7/7/2020. This is the date for today. English. Write down one word from each letter A, B, C till Z, like A for apple, one word. B for bell, C for cat, and so on. Like you go like this, A, B, C, D, again D, any word, you know anything or you read from this book, not necessary that you have to write it down from here. You can write it from anywhere you know, any book, anything you know, but it must start from these letters. D for dog, like this. E for elephant or egg, whatever. F for frog. G for gun. H for hen. I for, all of you know that. I for India. J for jug. Also, you all read this in your last year class, PP1. Now you are PP2. You know these words very well. All is written in your copies. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. G for N for nine, number 9. O for orange or owl. P for pot. P for pot. Q for queen. You know who is a queen? Rani. R for rose. S for 6. The number 6. T for 10. The number 10. Now we have U for umbrella. V for violin. W for what? W for wolf, यानी नेगड़े बाग. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree, you see Xmas tree on which day? On Christmas Day. Santa Claus comes to your house to give you gifts. Y for yellow. You know the color yellow. Z for zebra. We have the black and white striped animal called zebra. It's a shy animal. It doesn't make sound, but it's very cute looking. Thank you, children, for today. Read these, write in your copies very neatly. We shall discuss later. Thank you. Bye bye.